Why is crypto down today? September 15, 2025. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Ethereum, market. While some are worried that the music is about to stop, the reality is more nuanced, says Sean Dawson, head of research at Derive.xyz. This is likely not the cycle top. There's still substantial upside ahead. Journalist, Sean Fadilpašić. Journalist, Sean Fadilpašić. About author. Sean specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry, where he has served. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 1 hour ago. The crypto market is down today, with the cryptocurrency market capitalization dropping 0.4% to $4.15 trillion. Most of the top 100 coins have decreased over the past 24 hours. At the same time, the total crypto trading volume is at $130 billion. TLDR. The crypto market capitalization is down 0.4% on Monday morning, UTC. 14 of the top 100 coins are green. Only BTC is up in the top 10 category. BTC is up to $116,309. And ETH is down to $4,642. The bull run is not over. There's still substantial upside ahead. We may see volatility and consolidation in September, but this is likely not the cycle top. We're only halfway through what could be a very powerful Q4 rally. US BTC spot ETFs recorded inflows of $642.35 million, while US ETH ETFs took in $405.55 million. Pakistan has invited international exchanges to apply for licenses. Alex Thorne of Galaxy Digital argues the US could soon launch its strategic Bitcoin reserve. Positive sentiment among investors has increased. Crypto winners and losers. At the time of writing, 9 of the top 10 coins per market capitalization have decreased over the past 24 hours. Bitcoin, BTC, appreciated 0.5% at the time of writing, currently trading at $116,309. This is the only increase in the category. The coin seems poised to decrease as well. Bitcoin, BTC, $115, 629.06-0.11% 24, H7D1Y. Ethereum, ETH, is down 0.6%, now trading at $4,642. It's the third best gainer in the category. The highest decrease is 4.5% by Dogecoin, Doge, currently standing at $0.2769. It's followed by Solana SOL, which is down 2.2%, now trading at $241. When it comes to the top 100 coins of the 14 green coins, Monero XMR is up the most, 5.4% to the price of $303. Flare, FLR, appreciated 4.9% to $0.02405, while the rest of the green coins are up 1% and less. On the other side, WorldCoin, WLD, S 8% drop to $1.59 is the highest in the category. Pump.fun, Pump, follows with a decrease of 6.7% to the price of $0.007828. Meanwhile, Alex Thorne, head of firm-wide research at Galaxy Digital, argued that the United States could soon launch its strategic Bitcoin reserve, SBR, potentially before the end of 2025. The market seems to be completely underpricing the likelihood of such an announcement, he noted. The bull run's not over. Sean Dawson, head of research at on-chain options platform Derive.xyz, argued that we haven't reached the top of this cycle, despite growing speculation and the increased volatility in the coming weeks. While some are worried that the music is about to stop, the reality is more nuanced, he writes. We may see volatility and consolidation in September, driven by fiscal year-end flows and some profit-taking among ETH/DATs. But the structural backdrop, falling rates, institutional positioning, and bullish derivatives markets, suggests there's still substantial upside ahead. This is likely not the cycle top. On average, BTC returns minus 2.9% in September. This is largely due to natural selling pressure around the U.S. financial year-end, Dawson explains. We're already seeing signs of that pressure in the data. I'd argue we're only halfway through what could be a very powerful Q4 rally. Meanwhile, options markets are showing sustained bullish sentiment, Dawson continues. For BTC, open interest is stacked around $140,000, $150,000, $160,000, and $200,000 strikes for the December 26th expiry. Call open interest out numbers puts nearly 2.5 to 1, 64K versus 26K. For ETH, there's a broad spread of bullish strikes from $4,000 to $7,000. That positioning matters. Option boards let us derive the market's consensus probability of price outcomes, Dawson writes. And right now, they're saying there's a 40% chance ETH closes above $5,000 by year-end, and 20% chance it settles above $6,000. For BTC, the market gives a 37% probability of $125,000 or higher by the same time. Levels and events to watch next. At the time of writing on Friday morning, BTC trades at $116,309. The price moved from the intraday low of $114,915 to the high of $116,689, before slightly correcting to the current point. Looking at the weekly prices, the range from $110,870 to $116,705, meaning that the coin is not far from the intraweek high. The price has been moving to test the $117,500 level. Clearing that would potentially lead it to $119,500, followed by $122,200 and $124,500. However, as the market has turned red, if BTC falls below $114,800, it could move towards the $110,856 level, which is its critical structural floor. Ethereum is currently trading at $4,548. It initially fell from the day's high of $4,674 to the low of $4,581 before climbing back to the current level. Its 7-day range stands between $4,286 and $4,762. It is currently up 8% in a week. The next support level currently stands at $4,425. On the other side, if the price takes $4,760, further resistance levels stand at $4,945 and $5,135. Ethereum, ETH, $4, 555.99-2.52% 24, H7D1Y. Meanwhile, the crypto market sentiment has seen increased slightly over the past few days. The crypto fear and greed index moves between 50 and 53, standing at 51 today. The sentiment overall remains bullish, even if investors are cautious, largely supported by fundamentals and technicals. Moreover, the US BTC spot exchange-traded funds, ETFs, recorded another day of significant inflows on the last day of trading, September 12th, of $642.35 million. The cumulative net inflow has reached $56.83 billion. 6 of the 12 ETFs saw inflows, and there were no outflows. Fidelity and BlackRock saw the highest positive flows of $315.18 million and $264.71 million, respectively. Additionally, the US ETH ETFs recorded inflows on Friday of $405.55 million. 5 of the 9 funds saw inflows and 1 saw outflows. The total net inflow has reached $13.36 billion. Of this, Fidelity saw the highest green amount of $168.23 million, followed by BlackRock's $165.56 million. 7 funds recorded inflows, and there were no outflows. Meanwhile, Pakistan has invited international crypto exchanges and virtual asset service providers to apply for licenses to operate under its newly formed regulatory authority. The Pakistan Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority, PVARA, was created under the Virtual Assets Ordinance 2025. Speaking of exchanges, Coinbase is working to stay ahead of new competitors by expanding beyond trading into custody, derivatives, and stablecoins. Quick FAQ. Why did crypto move against stocks today? The crypto market has decreased over the past day, while the stock market saw a mixed picture on its previous day of trading. By the closing time on Friday, the S&P 500 was down by 0.048%. The Nasdaq 100 increased by 0.42%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 0.59%. The stock market posted weekly gains ahead of the U.S. Federal Reserve's interest rate decision set for Wednesday. Is this drop sustainable? The market has entered a consolidation phase, so the prices will likely move within a relatively tight range. There are likely more drops to be expected in the short term, with a possible rally in the midterm. You may also like live crypto news today. Latest updates for September 15, 2025. The crypto market saw a broad correction despite maintaining a strong overall valuation, with total market cap holding above $4.1 trillion. Bitcoin, BTC, briefly dipped below $115,000 before rebounding and is now trading above $116,000. Ethereum, ETH, also slipped under $4,600 during the pullback, but has recovered to trade just above that level, marking a 1.01% daily decline. Sector-wise, GameFi led losses with a 3.03% drop, while DeFi and meme tokens fell 2.21% and 2.85% respectively. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Dogecoin and Cardano by the end of 2025. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Picoin and Solana by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Why the October 18, 25 SEC deadlines could trigger a breakout crypto price prediction today, September 12. XRP, Cardano. Ethereum new ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Pepe and Solana by the end of 2025. Press releases. Ripple quietly transfers 15 million XRP. DOT miners emerge as hidden gem for retail investors. Price analysis. Ethereum price prediction. Are bulls getting ready to push the ETH price higher? 1 day ago. By Arslan Butt. Press releases. Dogecoin ETF launch sparks investor rush to DOT miners. Best crypto to buy now in September 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 6 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in September 2025. Top new crypto coins. 3 days ago. By Inesis Tavares. 11 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 3 days ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in September 2025. 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 5 hours ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 3 days ago. By Ben Beto.